today is a very special day because it is Kingsley's birthday!
Yay!
And we are at the Grand Canyon Waterpark here in Chiang Mai, and we haven't actually gone inside yet, but we just got our tickets and our wristbands.
Yeah.
And
yeah, it's exciting. It's my birthday. We're gonna do some swimming. We're gonna do some jumping off of cliffs, and it should be a good time.
Yeah, let's go check it out, you guys. We've had so much fun in Grand Canyon here in Chiang Mai. Did you have a fun birthday?
A great birthday party. My 41st birthday today, guys. It was crazy. We still throwing it down out here in the water park. Cliff jumping, you know, the
ziplining.
Ziplining, 10-meter cliff jump, 33 feet. What else do we do? We did a little beanbag jump. You know,
trampolines.
Yep, tried out the trampoline. You know, it was
so fun.
The best thing to do in Chiang Mai or in and around Chiang Mai is this place right here, Grand Canyon Waterpark. I'll come here every single time I come to Chiang Mai. It's dope.
It's dope, you guys.
Yeah, it's the best right here.
Cheers.
Cheers.